Yes, hello friends. Yes, welcome. Yes, today is our last point for the preparation of organic halide, and that is substitution of one halogen by other halogen. In our modern periodic table, you see this group, halogen group, a location of halogen group before zero group elements fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Yes, collectively this group elements are symbolized by capital X. X may be equal to fluorine, chlorine. You can take any one of them. Yes, in this group element, as we go from top to bottom, yes, atomic size will increase. So the electronegativity will automatically decrease. In this group elements, yes, iodine possesses maximum size. That's why iodine always, yes, shows the positive ion. Okay. Then, now you see, there are two methods during which halogen is to be replaced by other halogen atom. First one is Finkelstein reaction. In short, it is symbolized by FSR. Second one, SR, Schwarz reaction. Okay. What happened during the Finkelstein reaction? The reaction of alkyl halide. ये alkyl halide है, उसमें से दूसरा alkyl halide बनाना है और कुछ नहीं. During the reaction, one halogen atom is to be replaced by second halogen atom. The reaction of alkyl halide during which, yes, halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, this type of atoms, halogen atoms are replaced by iodine, and that reaction is known as a, yes, Finkelstein reaction. This is the Rx is the general formula of alkyl halide. On reaction with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, it will act as a catalyst. It is compulsory to indicate the catalyst during the reaction. Okay, what is the mechanism of the reaction? Finally, on reaction with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone, it will gives, yes, alkyl iodide with removal of sodium halide as a byproduct. Now you see what is the mechanism of this reaction. Rx, you write the NaI, halogen atom of alkyl halide will combine with sodium atom of sodium iodide. Finally, NaX will remove as a byproduct. Finally, R will directly attach with iodine. Okay. Suppose illustration में, yes, halogen in methyl chloride, halogen के तौर पे क्लोरीन है, halogen के साथ जो that is the alkyl group, methyl group. In this case, halogen is bromine, yes, alkyl group is ethyl group. Methyl chloride, IUPAC name is chloromethane. This is ethyl chloride. IUPAC name will be bromoethane. Ethyl bromide या bromoethane. On reaction with NaI in presence of dry acetone, what happened? Yes, you observe the general reaction. Rx, final, our main product will be Ri. You see, R will remain as it is. Only halogen is to be replaced by iodine. Then, in case of Ca3Cl, will be replaced by iodine. Then our main product will be CH3I, and NaCl will remove as a byproduct. In case of second illustration, halogen is Br. Br will be replaced by iodine. That's why iodine यहाँ लिख दो. CA3CH2I. This will be our main product, and sodium will combine with bromine. NaBr will be our byproduct. Methyl iodide या iodomethane. This is ethyl iodide या iodoethane. This is the Finkelstein reaction. Second reaction is known as a Schwarz reaction. What is the Schwarz reaction? The reaction during which from alkyl halide one halogen atom is to be replaced by fluorine. Second halogen. क्लोरीन है, ब्रोमीन है, ऐसे हेलोजन एटम फ्लोरीन से रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. This is the general formula of alkyl halide and this is the general formula of alkyl fluoride. Yes, RX इनकी रिएक्शन AgF के साथ करेंगे. RX, what is the mechanism? Yes, RX plus AgF. Halogen of alkyl halide will combine with silver of silver fluoride. AgX will remove as a byproduct. Then R will directly attach with fluorine. It is known as a alkyl fluoride. Okay. Now you see the illustration. Methyl chloride. IUPAC name is chloromethane. Second one, ethyl bromide. Yeah, IUPAC name is bromoethane. Okay. You see, as per general reaction, R will remain as it is. Only halogen is to be replaced by fluorine. Yeah, in this case, halogen के तौर पे क्लोरीन है. R is equal to methyl group. In second illustration, halogen is Br. This portion will act as R, ethyl group. R ऐसा ही रहेगा. Only halogen is to replace by fluorine. So in this case, our main product will be CH3. Yes, Cl is to be replaced by fluorine, Ca3F, and AgCl will remove as a byproduct. Okay. In second illustration, R is equal to Ca3Ca2, ethyl group will remain as it is. Only halogen Br is to be replaced by fluorine. That's why our main product will be CH3CH2F. And yes, AgBr is to be removed as a byproduct. Final, our product ethyl fluoride. Its IUPAC name is fluoroethane. This is methyl fluoride. IUPAC name is fluoroethane. Yes, in any type of reaction can be solved by general reaction. जनरल रिएक्शन में कुछ नहीं करने का है. R के साथ हेलोजन की जगह हमें फ्लोरीन अटैच कर देना है और कुछ नहीं है. In case of Schwarz reaction, but in case of Finkelstein reaction, yes, हेलोजन की जगह हमें आयोडीन लगा देना है. ओके, तो ये हो गया अपना फाइनली मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड. यस, मेन there are three methods LHS. From alcohol में से सरल PT. Okay. Second, from हाइड्रोकार्बन में से यस ARE अल्केन में से एरीन में से और यस अल्कीन में से ARE या एरीन में से बेंजीन और टॉल्विन लेंगे और अल्किन में से yes, one illustration will be related with symmetrical, second is to be given as per asymmetrical, and third one substitution of halogen by another halogen. उसमें Finkelstein reaction आती है और second one is Schwarz reaction. ये शॉर्ट नोट में पूछा जाता है, समझ लो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यस, यहाँ खत्म करते हैं. यस, शर्मिला स्वीटी. ओके, खत्म करें. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.